This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about food trays, specifically these plastic food trays. We have the black medium plastic tray here. It's 12 inches wide by 16 long. And these trays are also available in a small 10 by 14 size or a large 14 by 18 size, meaning that in addition to this one here, you've got some other smaller and larger size options, so you can really pick the size that suits your needs. They feature a great skid-resistant texture on the surface to help keep foods, plates, and cups in place. They're stackable for easy and convenient setup and storage, and they're great for counter service of meals for an easy way for your customers to carry them out to tables. They're even great for your employees or servers to use to carry meals out to your guests. They have that classic black finish that goes with just about any decor or color scheme, and they've got ample space to hold plates, cutlery, or various containers and dishes. They're dishwasher safe for quick and easy cleanup, and they're perfect for use in cafeterias, at buffets, in fast casual restaurants, or for any establishment that just needs trays for food service.